Welcome to 6-Minute Code. In today's episode, we are going to see about some interesting tips and tricks in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. Tip number 1. VLOOKUP. Use VLOOKUP when you need to find things in a table or arrange by row. The VLOOKUP function takes 4 parameters. First is what you want to look up. Next, where you want to look for it. Third is the column number in the range containing the value to return. Finally, approximate or exact match, indicated as true or false. Number 2. Converting text to columns. When adding information to a spreadsheet, most time, it'll involve lots of copy-pasting to fix it. Excel has a feature, text to columns, that allows you to move text from one column into another, effectively. Select the cell or column that contains the text you want to split. Under Data, select Text to Columns. In the Convert Text to Columns wizard, select Fixed or Delimited. And press Next. Select the delimiters for your data if needed. You can see a preview of your data in the Data Preview window. Select Finish. Your text will be converted into columns. Number 3. Removing duplicate data. Sometimes duplicate data are useful. Sometimes it just makes it harder to understand your data. Use Remove Duplicates feature to delete duplicate data. Using Remove Duplicates feature, data will be permanently deleted. Before you delete the duplicates, it's a good idea to copy the original data to another worksheet, so you don't accidentally lose any information. Select the range of cells that has duplicate values you want to remove. Under Data, click Remove Duplicates, and then under Columns, check or uncheck the columns where you want to remove the duplicates. Click OK. A pop-up will show you how many rows were removed. Number 4. Data filtering. Filtering data displays only the rows that meet certain conditions, other rows gets hidden. Select any cell within the range. Under Editing, click on Sort and Filter. You can see the column header has some arrows. Click one of them and use checkboxes to filter the data. Or select text filters or number filters, and then select a comparison, like greater than. Enter the filter criteria and select OK. Now the data will be filtered to your selection criteria. Don't worry. Your data is not deleted. It's just hidden, and you can always use Clear Filter to remove the filter applied. Number 5. Creating charts from data. If you want to visualize your data as charts, Excel provides a wide range of charts you can choose from. For creating charts, select the data to be visualized. For instance, select 2 columns for bar chart. Under Insert, click on Bar Chart. Now bar chart will be magically inserted in new worksheet. You can perform all the chart operation on it, like filter the values of the chart, change the style, color, and so on. Number 6. Data from web. In many cases, you may need data from a website. Instead of copy-pasting the data, Excel provides a life-saving option to easily import a table of data from a web page and regularly update the table with live data. To do so, under Data, select Get Data from other sources and click on From Web. Enter the website URL in the pop-up. It will show all the tables names available in the website. Click on a table name to see a preview. Once you find the right table, click on Load Data. Voila! Data will be loaded automatically. Number 7. Ink to Math. Sometime you may need to write mathematical equations in your workbook. In such case, it will be difficult to search symbols for the equation. Excel provides an easy way to insert equations. Under Draw, select Ink to Math option. In the pop-up, draw your equation. It will show a preview of the equation. Once you are satisfied, click Inset to place your equation. Number 8. Formulae. As you all know, Microsoft Excel provides a lot of functions. If you find it difficult to remember these functions, here is a GUI for you. Under Formulas, you can find all the categorized functions. On clicking a function, it provides a detailed description about the function and about its arguments for our reference. Now it prompts you to enter the arguments. By entering the arguments, it will instantly apply the function to your data. Number 9. Translate. Translating Excel documents requires special care because they contain unique formulas and functions. Microsoft Excel has a built-in translator you can use for simple translations. Select the text you wish to translate. Then, on the toolbar, select Review, then Translate. You can select Change the language to your wish and Excel will automatically translate your text. Number 10. Forecast. What is forecasting? In the simplest terms, it is predicting the future while analyzing the past and present data. We do quantitative forecasting majorly on time series data. It is used to take some major business decisions. Excel has an amazing feature called Forecast Sheet, which automatically adds formulas and creates a chart in your workbook. Select the data that contains timeline series and values. Go to Data, Forecast and click Forecast Sheet. Choose a chart type. Pick an end date for forecasting. Click the Create. Hooray! Your actual data will be moved into a new sheet with the addition of a few columns, and the chart of your selection that matches what you've seen in the preview will be placed on this page. Number 11. Protect your sheets. To prevent other users from accidentally or deliberately changing, moving, or deleting data in a worksheet, you can lock the cells on your Excel worksheet and then protect the sheet with a password. Let's see how to add it. On the Review tab, click Protect Sheet. In the Allow all users of this worksheet to list, select the elements you want people to be able to change. Set a password and click OK. Now no one will be able to edit the sheet. To make it editable, click on Unprotect Sheet and enter your password. We came to the end of this video. These are some interesting pro tips in Microsoft Excel. Hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe and leave your thoughts in comments. As always, happy coding!